The scenery gets better and better as you approach. Shipwreck Beach. Backed by dazzling white limestone cliffs that loom over its sandy shores, Shipwreck Beach and the sparkling turquoise waters that border it certainly paint a pretty picture. Number 9. Zlatni Rat. Nicknamed the Golden Horn, Zlatni Rat juts into the Adriatic Sea and changes shape and length depending on the current, tide, and wind. Regularly featured on the front of travel magazines around the globe, Zlatni Rat is one of Croatia's most popular tourist destinations due to its magnificent scenery and sparkling turquoise waters.